In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate and use Zapier with Google Sheets, complete guide. To get started, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you are on the Zapier home dashboard, look for the section called App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps a list of all the apps you have authorized, so it is the best place to connect Google Sheets before you build any automation. Click on App Connections, then choose Add Connection. In some layouts, you may see the Add Connection option more than once, depending on where you are on the page. Either one works, as long as it takes you to the connection picker. In the search field, type Google Sheets so you can find it quickly. Then select Google Sheets from the results. After selecting Google Sheets, click Add Connection again to begin the authorization process. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account you want to connect. Make sure you select the account that owns or has access to the spreadsheets you plan to use with Zapier. When the permissions screen appears, review what Zapier is asking for. This access is required so Zapier can read from your drive and create or update rows in your spreadsheets. Continue through the prompts to allow access and complete the connection. When you are returned to Zapier, you should now see Google Sheets listed as a connected app. At this point, the integration is in place, and you are ready to start using it in a Zap. Next, click Create to begin building. Then select Automated Workflows. This takes you into the Zap editor, where you define a trigger and one or more actions. In the editor, use the input field to type what you want to build. Keep it simple and specific, so Zapier can suggest the right setup. Once you have entered your description, click Start Building to generate the workflow. From here, you can continue configuring the trigger and actions using your newly connected Google Sheets account. If you ever run into access issues later, come back to App Connections to confirm the correct Google account is connected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.